My name is William Barry Hill, and I'm honored to be admitted to the Royal Society of Canada. My 25-year career in engineering took place during the early years of computer control applications in thermal and nuclear generating stations. Being at the leading edge of mission-critical software design was an exciting era in which to be involved. I began a second career in agriculture, which led me in three directions. Rebuilding the family farm within the context of the limitations to business development on a First Nations territory led me to be involved not only in provincial farm organizations, but economic development and community planning in my home territory. In parallel with these challenges, I became involved in education and outreach both within and outside the community on STEM topics and First Nations history. I hope my contributions have influenced cross-cultural understanding and encourage others in their education, their work, and an appreciation of the opportunities of the history of this great country in which we live. My maternal grandmother, who had attended residential school and was a true survivor, was a positive influence on my life and always full of advice. She once told me, "Don't be a farmer, be an engineer." Well, now I've done both, and it has been fulfilling in all respects. I hope that I have helped others along the way as well. Thank you.